Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto V. To begin, familiarize yourself with the game's massive open world, which spans 3 distinct areas: Los Santos, Blaine County, and the surrounding ocean. You'll primarily control one of 3 protagonists in story mode, each with unique abilities. The game offers hundreds of hours of content, from thrilling missions to diverse side activities. Get ready to explore a dynamic world filled with action and adventure. Mastering the controls is crucial for success. On consoles, the left analog stick moves your character, while the right stick controls the camera. To drive, use the right trigger for acceleration and the left trigger for braking. Combat involves aiming with the left trigger and firing with the right. Remember to utilize cover by pressing a button, which is essential for surviving intense gunfights against multiple enemies. Grand Theft Auto V offers a rich variety of missions and activities. The main story missions, indicated by letters on your map, advance the narrative for Michael, Franklin, and Trevor. Beyond the story, you can participate in numerous side quests, including street races, flight school, and even yoga. Exploring the world reveals hidden packages and unique encounters, providing countless hours of entertainment and opportunities to earn in-game cash. Grand Theft Auto Online provides an expansive multiplayer experience. You can create your own character and join millions of other players in Los Santos. Engage in cooperative heists, competitive races, and various adversary modes. Earn money and reputation points to purchase apartments, garages, and a wide array of vehicles. The online world is constantly updated with new content, offering endless possibilities for interaction and progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.